Today we had approximately 8 to 10 inches of snow here in the mid-Ohio Valley in Ohio on the border of West Virginia. This is not a regular occurrence for here. In fact, the sheriff's office has declared what they call a level 3 emergency, which means only essential personnel or people can be out on the roads. The roads are closed to non-essential. And coming from where I typically grew up and reside in the Northeast, while 10 inches is a big deal, it's usually not incapacitating. And this was plowed where my work residence is. This was plowed about 10 o'clock this morning, and it's a complete mess. They came through here with a tractor and went through it. It's still snowing now. As of this recording, it's about 5:30 in the evening. It started last night at about 6, 7 in the evening. So it's been kind of steady. Temperatures are in the 20s. And yeah, the one thing it is, it's absolutely beautiful. Certainly beautiful. But already as a boss at my job, I already had to make the decision for tomorrow. It's just they don't have the firepower here like they do in New England or the Northeast to get these roads clear and keep them clear. This is a state road right here. Typically speed limit's 55 and cars are flying by. And up there where you see that headlight, that's the Interstate. And there's some activity up there. That might be a plow truck. So really not much happening today. Restaurants are closed. Thankfully, I have a residence where I keep food stocked and can prepare my own food. But and I have a 4-wheel drive vehicle here. But I haven't gone anywhere today. Work from home, as they say. The irony is I can walk to the office. The office is actually in the same complex. It's kind of connected over here. I'll back up through those stairs. So here is about halfway up to the walk to the office, and untouched snow. And it's a lot of hills here, so this is a flight of stairs I just walked up. The only thing that marks those stairs is that railing. Now my footsteps. It'll be interesting walking back down. But from experience, I've walked up here in the past during weather that we've had, and it is pretty. So I thought it'd be just kind of cool to video it. There was an 18-wheeler very, very slowly. Just don't know why those guys are out. Like, I understand the urgency and people working hard to deliver things, but it's not worth your life. Oh man, it's just not worth it. But anyway, that's what they're doing. It's just so peaceful. Well, I made it to the top of the hill here. That was the hard part. You can see in the light, it's still coming down. I don't know if it'll be harder going back down that hill or what, but we'll see. And you can kind of see the interstate through the camera. See the flashing lights, the plow truck, salt truck. I'm just glad I'm not out there. This is the parking lot of the work location. It clearly was plowed at one point, likely when my residence was plowed around before 11 a.m. this morning. And since it's been snowing all day, it hasn't been plowed again. And this is up on a steep hill, as I kind of pointed out before. And your only shot getting up here is if you have 4-wheel drive. There's no way front wheel, definitely not rear wheel, but front Wheels not pulling you up that hill. And even once you get in a parking lot, I mean, it's been hours. So I should imagine by morning that this will be cleared out. But letting the gang work from home tomorrow and come in only if you feel safe. Yeah, this is pretty deep through here. So I've walked about a half mile to get here in this, and you saw kind of the path I took up that hill. So we're just kind of doing a loop and coming back. I usually do an evening walk. Clearly it's not snow, and I usually walk anywhere from 2 to 3 miles. You can see the depth. That's not a curb. That's actually where they plowed. That's clearly, those are worked vehicles. So clearly there's no curb there. It's just where they plowed. So that's how deep it is over there with nothing plowed. That's gonna be fun. Moon is out. But I can still feel precipitation come down. It's at the end though, because I think it was supposed to stop this evening. Here's just another video from a higher vantage point. Walked up another hill to get up here. And clearly you can see the snow still coming. And way off in the distance, that's the Interstate. Just no reason to be out there. I understand there's people who are working hard and they're essential employees. There's a hospital nearby, hotels and whatnot. I get all that, and I really appreciate those people working hard. For the people who don't need to be out there, and I admit, I used to be one of those people that come hell or high water, I was going into the office, but the technology today, it's unnecessary. And then you set a unnecessary standard for others that feel that they have to do that and they may not feel comfortable. So far, without the camera on, I'm walking down these stairs in unshoveled, unplowed snow in the dark. The camera's lighting it up a little bit. Okay. I have no idea if I'm actually, I know I'm going over the steps. Oh boy. But I don't feel like it just feels like one smooth surface. Although this is very obvious. Whoa. Okay. I've done smarter things. I guess it would make a good video if I fell. Alright, that seems to be more of a kind of a steady decline. Well, this is the first snow of 2025, at least where I am at. And I believe for this one, this storm has hit a lot of the central and eastern part of the U.S. And probably by the time I get this video up, it'll be a few weeks from now, just knowing how I operate, but I'll try to get this video up quicker. Be safe out there.